Considering the safeguarding and e-safety policy agendas in Northern Ireland, consideration will first be given to the inspection procedures in place for further education, and then to the legislative and guidance background. The Education and Training Inspectorate, ETI, have formulated a common framework against which inspections are conducted. As part of the evaluation of the quality of provision for learning, inspectors are asked to address the question: how well are learners cared for, guided and supported? In its July 2009 Information and Learning Technology Supplement, the ETI expanded upon this with a section on child protection and vulnerable adults. How effective is the organisation in making arrangements to safeguard and promote the welfare and protection of children and vulnerable adults receiving education and training? It gives examples of raising standards through ILT and e-learning, which include acceptable use policies in place and included in induction for all users, e-safety awareness raising and training for all staff, and use of electronic detection systems to monitor and filter access to internet resources. Further, in its list of sources of evidence to evaluate quality of provision for learning, the ETI includes acceptable use, security and e-safety policies and procedures. As part of the inspection process, organisations are asked to rate their competence in relation to a number of statements. The 27th and final being: safeguarding messages are actively promoted with young people and vulnerable adults within the curriculum and through other activities, with respect to internet use, social networking, etc. With this explicit mention of e-safety, it is clear that colleges must ensure adequate safeguards are in place as part of the quality process to meet the ETI's inspection requirements. In addition, students are asked to complete a questionnaire, which rates their experience against the following two statements. Number 11, I feel safe and secure in this organisation. And number 12, I feel safe and secure in my work placement. Although couched in general terms, the student may well take into account their online experience in making their evaluation. Turning briefly to the legal background, in addition to the general duties in the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child and the general duty of care, there are a number of Northern Ireland specific orders with relevance to safeguarding and e-safety, including the General Children Northern Ireland Order 1995 and other more specific orders.